Today we're going to be opening the Best of Boxycharm. I got the $99 one. I already started this once and interruptions happened. So let's go ahead and do this. The first thing in the box that I got was these Alamar 3 eye brushes. Doesn't say exactly which ones, but I could tell this is like a blender, eyeliner. So there's that. I like the color. This is number 7 English Laundry. It's not bad little scent. It's not a bad size either. Alright. Angel Eyes Primer Base. For your eyes, I'm guessing. Yeah, eyeshadow primer base. Can you see that? He's trying to turn the TV back on. So there is the Angel Eyes Primer Base. It is in nude. Yep, nude. It looks like a concealer color. Let's go ahead and stick it on my hand, show you. Oh, it's very... It's got a good texture to it. It'll hold the shadows. That's okay. That's good. Rub it in so that it... We'll swatch there and see how good it does with the shadows. By the way, I'm wearing a Stila from the other day that is in Beso. First red lipstick I've worn in a while. And the eyes and everything else is a variety of Too Faced palettes from last year. Sorry, my son decided he was going to take my chair away. So... that I had everything sitting on. He was trying to knock everything off. So, alright. We have a Kat Von D liquid lip in the color Sanctuary. Let's go ahead and swatch that on the hand. It's a nice little nudie brown type color. We have a Adise Age Defying Nail Treatment. This is almond oil for your cuticles. Let's go ahead and put it on there. There's not really a scent. That ought to be interesting. I have some Julep ones too that I got from Julep to test. This is a Aesthetica P12 brush. Full size, nice. I've never tried their brushes, but I might need to. That feels really soft. Okay. Cover FX glitter drops in... I have no idea. Lunar. I like the color. Let's go ahead and drop some. Just kind of put some on the hand so I can show you. It's a nice little glitter colors. It's like pink, blue. Wish you could see it better. I don't know what to do with these lights. There we go. It's definitely glitter. Cover FX Blurring Primer, which I had a sample of it, and I'm wearing it today. And it seems to work pretty decent, and I'm interested in it. So, it looks almost like the Professional. It's a brownish. Okay, this is closed. Let me get the sample one I used earlier. Blurring Primer, okay. See, Cover FX Blurring Primer. And it, see what I mean? It has a texture similar to the Benefit. Wow, you can see the difference. This is where I rubbed it in. It definitely blurs. That is kind of neat. Okay. Wow, him moving my chair just kind of messed everything up. This is another by Adise. have no idea. If you could sound it out below, that would be awesome. This is in the color, you know what, and it didn't come in a box, so I guess you have to guess what color it is. But it's a liquid lip. It's got a nice little applicator. And there's that. Oh, it's really sticky. Alright, let me get a baby wipe. That's for the next video, the Ulta. Get that off there. Oh, look right there. Can you see that? It doesn't want to come off. The lipstick. Okay. Oh, I'm wearing this mascara. I had a sample size. I am so excited to have the full size. Superhero by It. I don't want to open this because I'm still using the sample. Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in Stunner. I'm going to do the palettes last because there's a few of them. There's that. I'm not sure about this red lip. Let me know below if it washes me out or whatever. Alright, Girl Lactic Moonlight Skin Glow. I believe these are a cream. Yes, there's what it looks like inside. I'm going to swatch it for you. They're a cream. Alright. No. Lashaholic. You could tell I did this yesterday and I had swatched some eyeshadow. These are Lashaholic lashes. Look at those. They are pretty natural ones, and I'm getting to where I'm learning exactly how to put them on. I know how to put them on, but they were always uncomfortable, so I got some new applicators so I could start putting them on for you. Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. And here's what it looks like inside. Very neutral colors. Let's put that down. Let's swatch the middle row, because that's the best variety of, it's got the, there's only one shimmer I believe in here, two, and it had the two shimmers. Let me swatch this bottom row for you real quick. Let's go ahead and put it over. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over that. Not perfect swatches, but the light keeps acting up. Sorry, the TV turned back on. Alright, let's get that black off of there. They're not bad shadows. I've never used Cargo shadows, so I guess we'll find out. Turn it down. Turn it down. Let me see. Okay. Go in your room then. Mommy, it's trying to record a video. You don't have to have it that loud. You're right in front of it, literally. Okay, sorry. And the next palette is this Crown palette that they just received. I've never tried their stuff before. Looking at it, it reminds me of a palette I have. I'm just not sure which one. Let's go ahead and swatch half the bottom row. This is the shimmer on the front. This is the color next to it. They're very pigmented, and there's the fourth color in the row. Let's go ahead and get that last one. And the last one on the top row, because they're both shimmers. So this is the last one on the top row. It's a little deeper than this one. And here's the last one on the bottom row. Very pretty colors. Please turn it down. I don't know why I have to keep asking you that. Okay. So that's the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. I'm quite interested in using that one. Okay, Naked Cosmetics And it's a highlighter palette that the light seems to wash out. I wish I could give it better lighting so you can see there. You can kind of see them now. Let's go ahead and swatch the first row. There's the first row. It's pretty. Alright, and the second row. It's a greenish, a blue, and a yellow. Very pretty. That yellow turns out to look like really gold on the skin. I'm kind of interested in that, but it does remind me of a palette by Anastasia, I believe. Is it Moonchild? No, I don't know. I might not have it. It just looks familiar. Alright. This has got to be the prettiest palette I've ever seen. This is not an eye palette. This is the Park Avenue Princess palette. It's a contour and I believe highlight palette because some of these shades look kind of shiny. First three. It's by Tarte. There's the first three shades. And these are going to be the last three. And there's the last three. It's very beautiful, very creamy shades. Chiseled like a diamond. It says on the mirror. It's got a great size mirror. You can tell I just swatched it. It's very pretty. I love the names. Halo, Enhance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle, and Crown. Alright. It's probably the most beautiful palette I own on the outside wise. And the last thing in here is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. It's got a nice size mirror. And that's the inside. It looks like a bird cage. Let's swatch these first row. Well, the second row that has the 4 colors. The top row looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Where'd the one didn't swatch. I don't know which one. It's on my fingers. I wonder if it's that one. It might be that one. No, because there was only one. I don't know. Alright, let's do this first very top. Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, and Break Free. They're all white type shades. One of them doesn't even really show up. I'm guessing it's Nocturnal. Let me build that up for you. See if it's buildable. Yeah, it's buildable. There you go. That took 3 swatches to get it to build up to where you could actually see it on my hand. Alright. I Spy and Silver Spoon. I just mixed colors on accident. The brown and the blue right there. There's that. And the final row is All Nighter, After Midnight, and Swoop. They're all matte shades. Not bad. And I would honestly say, I was on the Tarte palette website today. Can't remember if I saw Park Avenue Princess, but last time I saw it, it was about 40 bucks. And I believe this is pretty expensive too. And I believe this is 30. This is 33. These are about 28. So you do get your $99 worth. So I would say this is worth it if they're still available. I would get that. Or, you know, if you don't want as much, there's I believe a $59 or a $49 and a $79 one. I will link them in the description. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. 2 more to come. Bye.